Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be making some earrings and keychains. With the earrings, I'm only going to do one to save time. They are very easy. They're not hard at all to make. And with this, what I'm going to do is I am going to take my desired little pendant, as you would call it in the earring world, the jewelry world, and I'm going to try and hook it. If you have one that's hookable, go for it. If not, I'm going to show you what to do. Get it to a place, a desirable place, a comfy place where you think it'll sit right on the earring, and you're going to glue it. And once you have it glued, for people who don't have a hook, it may be flimsy, so I would take like some sort of object that you could prop it up on and keep it propped up in the place where you would want it to be glued, and then set it aside and let it dry. It will take a full 24 hours for it to dry, but once you have it dried, it'll look great. I will be showing videos of some previous earrings that I've made, one, and show you how the final look will go about and how they will look and how they may hold up. So next we're going to take keychains. This hand actually used to be an earring, but it fell off. So of course, I have a broken hook that I would have been able to hook it on, but since it's broke, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and glue it. I'm going to try and glue the links together. Of course, just like the earrings, you can always hook it. And for these, I'm just going to apply glue to the bottom of this hook, just like that. And yes, you may get a little messy during these processes. I promise the glue will come off. The end product will be worth it. And then I'm going to take this little chain and I'm going to stick it there and add more glue to the chain as well. And then, since that's like that for now, and see, of course, it's not going to stick right away, place it in your desired position, and set it to the side and make sure that it dries. And once it dries, you will be able to have a lovely keychain and lovely earrings. Goodbye. For a little bit of an outcome look, this is one of the earrings I've done in the past. This one was both hooked on and glued. It is the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. It's not a flower. But that should be similar to what your product comes out as. And it could be relatively heavy, or it couldn't. Your hooks will be able to hold whatever. Hello, I really hope you liked this tutorial on the keychains and the earrings. If you want to see more seasonal makeup videos like we did for Halloween, I will leave my Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube all down here. Bye!